So, good morning! What a beautiful day! Look at that! So we're heading to Oklahoma City. There's the boys. Alright. Beautiful places. The interior of America, the heartland. All of this. Got me cookie. Have a look at the side of that. Got me coffee. That's a small. That's a small. Cream and sugar. Would you like cream and sugar there? With your McDonald's. McDonald's. Looks like there's going to be a bit of a storm, a little bit of a shower. Have a look at this. What a beautiful country. Hey? I know you can't talk to me, but what a beautiful country. We can do so much better in Australia. Have a look at that. We pay tolls here. It's just fair enough. Not like the tolls that Danny was paying. But you're paying them anyway. What a country. There's Shep in the back, David's leading. Paulie's second from the back. We're keeping an eye on Paulie because it gets hot. Alright, finally sorted out the camera. Hopefully that's a better view. That's the Bobby boys riding there with Shep at the back. David's leading. We're on our way to Oklahoma City. The time is 8:30 in the morning. American. On our way to STURGIS. Got me cup of joe. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at this road. Look at that. Got the country music playing. Yeah. The landscape just keeps getting better. Good song. How more American you can get it? I mean, an F-150 truck. Listen to American song in American roads, wrong side of the road, wrong side of the vehicle, with a truck trailer on the back, following 5 Harleys. is. Imagine taking that route every day into work. How could you be disappointed? You just love to get up in the morning, wouldn't you? You just love to get up in the morning, mate. In the middle of the forest. Everyone's so nice here. So nice. They love their country. Love it. That's what we should be doing, Australia. We should be loving our country and not loving ourselves. Love each other and love our country. That's what we should be doing. That's what we're doing at the moment. Just thinking of ourselves. It ain't working. We have lost what people know us for. Our word is our word. We stand by it. That's gone, mate. Every day, less and less. Less and less. Sad. I mean, what did our forefathers and the men and women before us, what they fight for? What they built? The roads and power stations, gas plants. Not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be easier. Everybody should be able to put. Everybody should be able to eat. Everybody should be able to afford to eat, and they're not. You've got people who are paying off mortgages. They've got kids. They weren't stupid people. And then the government's just turned around and whacked it up. What for? For what purpose? Makes no sense. No sense whatsoever. Alright. See ya. What the fuck is that? Can you pronounce that? OKMULGEE. How do you pronounce that? Well, that's where we are. Look at the storm. Oh, the boys might get wet. The boys might get wet. Geez, I wonder who'll want to jump in the car and drive. Well, stay out there. Look at that. Alright. Look at this. This is Oklahoma. Yeah, this is Oklahoma. I think. It's raining. And I'm driving the truck. McDonald's! McDonald's! The way they built their roads here is unbelievable. I tell you, they're building, that's a rail track going over the top. Wreck that. These roads. Yes. Shep on the Goldwing his bike here at the back here, this one here, right? He's got a car tyre on the back, so it's flat, not like a motorbike tyre. Right? So, I've been watching him ride, and he doesn't like to tip over, obviously, because it's a flat tyre, not a bike tyre, where it's rounded. Or oval, I should say, oval. You know, there is no sidewall. It's just flat. Oh, yeah. All the other, every biker that goes past just holds his hand out with the two fingers going, yeah, you know, like, we used to do that in Australia. We used to. Don't do it anymore. Everyone thinks they're so fucking good enough or arrogant. Fucking, you know what pisses me off? That on the road when you're not to another biker, whether he's on a jet bike or a fucking Harley, right? And he's on a jet bike or a fucking Harley, right? And I nod, you know, and I get nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing, right? You know what I feel like fucking doing? I feel like making a U-turn and kicking the fuck out of the bloke. You know? Fucking pisses me off. Isn't it? Like, we're on the fucking same page, mate. You know? Obviously you're not. You know? And as much as it... I shouldn't say this, but I feel like, you know, you wait until you hit the fucking deck, you piece of shit, right? Then you'd be fucking screaming for someone to fucking come and stop. Well, you should have fucking signalled me. You know? And if he did, I'd stop anyway, whether he fucking nodded or not. But I'm over this fucking, just so fucking privileged attitude. Fuck everyone else, it's all about me. You know? I'm over it. Alright. Yeah. Getting wet. Getting a bit wet. Bit wet.
Where's the helmets?
Hey?
Where's the helmets?
In here. In the middle. Gotta move the bag. Put them in the middle. Pick the bag up. Here. Got it. See? All right.
Where's Dad's?
It's all in the middle. Here. Sorting out helmets. It's all in the middle, they're in here. There, right, yeah, they're all in the middle.
Back anyway. He said weather warnings, fucking extreme weather, fucking hot, fucking pissing down. Got no wets either.
at me. Oh. I'm dry. Look at them. Oh! What's Seb doing now? Seb's the best, mate. Where's his helmet? Have a look at this. We've got our hazard lights on because it's pissing down outside and I'm in the truck. Have a look at it. It is fucking belting. Belting. Oh boy! Having an Oklahoma shower now. Hey? Would you like some soap? I'd still like to be on the bike though in this. I would. Have a look, look at it. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. They are getting smashed. Would you like some soap? I mean, we're gonna be doing 700 miles today. So I think somewhere along the line we'll get out of the rain. I hope. Yeah. You know what? The joys of riding. Can't get the Sturgis without getting wet on, eh? Just don't get pissed on. Just wet on's alright. I bet you they'd like a pie right about now. What do you reckon? Reckon they'd like a pie? A pie. Look at the weather. Look at the lake. They're slowing down. Look how fast we're going now. Got my hazard lights on and everything for them. This is what a good backup driver does for that. Look out there. Ah! Go get a pie! Fucking hell, mate, they're getting fucking soaked. Oh, on their way to Sturgis, baby! Fucking Damon and Seb will be fucking whinging their asses off. Oh, fucking soaked. What's the matter? You brought bloody England with you. It was beautiful and sunny when I arrived. Here we go. There we go. The rain's easing off there. Here we pass it. Hey, I didn't get a drop on me. Got one drop. It's fantastic. I don't know what everyone's whinging about. It's alright. Alright, I'll see people. Go get a pie. How was it?
Fucking bad. That was invigorating, wasn't it?
How was it, mate? Wet? How wet?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
350 to go.
How was it, Seb? Good?
Fantastic. I like getting wet and dirty.
Hey?
I like getting wet and dirty.
I like getting wet and dirty at the strippers. Hey? So here we are. Just pulled over. Stopped raining. I should say monsooning. That was fucking hectic.
Over here, that's nothing over here. It gets a lot worse.
I was doing it hard. I couldn't open up my packet of pork crisps driving. And I only had 2 more sips of my coffee behind the truck. I was doing it real hard. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
How far we got to go now?
8:48.
8:48.
Yeah.
All right. Here we are, 8:48.
That's to get the whole way there. If we drove all straight.
All right. How was it, Shep?
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Can someone open up me packet of crisps? Oh, I didn't get a drop on me. The only thing I was struggling with, I couldn't open up my packet of crisps. Oh, go get a pie. Ah, we're all back happy again, loving each other. There. So, as quick as the rain came and as heavy as it did, have a look at this. Look at that. Look at that road. Look at that. See? What a country. What a country. Won't take long to dry off anyway. I'll drive. The only thing I was struggling with in the truck was because I was driving, right, and you know, didn't get a drop of rain on me. They asked me how I was doing. I said, well, I ran out of coffee, so you know, I was doing it hard there. I had to turn the air conditioner down just a little bit, right, make it comfortable, right, and I couldn't open up my packet of Bucky's pork crisps, right. See, Bucky pork crisps. Hey, so I was doing it hard too, you know. I had to turn the wipers on, turn the heat cooling down a bit, right. It was a bit hectic in here and that. So I don't know what they were whinging about. You know, imagine having a packet of crisps sitting across from you, right, and you couldn't open them. I mean, geez. Now I tell you, they whinge a bit, you know, and I run out of coffee. And my water bottle's just over there, and I've got to, look, see, I've got to reach for it. Look, I've got to, look. Oh no, here it is. It's right there. Oh, I take that back. I shouldn't have been winded about not getting me coffee, but getting a drink. But you know, what else have I got in here? So I've got all the gear in here. The bike on the back. Look at this. Look at this country. Look at this. And everyone's so nice. Look at the roads. They're already drying out. Won't take them long and I'll dry out. I should have, you know what I should have done? Oh, look at that road. Look at that! Look at the country. You know what I should have done while it was raining? I should have given them me dirty undies, right? I should have tied them on the back of the bikes and that. They would have gotten clean. Next time, I'll tie my undies on the back of their bikes. Alright, go get a pie. Take care. So here we are at Come and Go. Guys are filling up. Alright. Just going to do a walk around the vehicle. Make sure everything's alright. There. Go get a pie. Have a walk around the vehicle. Great. Still driving. I want to ride in the rain. I want to have a ride in the rain. That's what I want to do. Okay. Still singing. Just stopped to help a biker see if he's alright.
Already into the battery and everything.
Okay. What's wrong?
And build it back up.
What's wrong with it?
Want to go on the trailer? Where are you going?
STURGIS. But
We're going to Sturgis also.
well, maybe go into the nearest Harley Davidson
Okay.
and then just drop it off there and see what they told me.
Yeah, we can drop you off, man.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, I'll drop the trailer. Look, I'll drop the ramps.